The welded metal human sculptures art elevate your home decor and showcase your skill. Here we are back again. Good morning, welcome back, and thanks for being here. We are here with another amazing and new video. I hope you people are doing so well. In the realm of contemporary art, welded human sculptures has gained significant attention for its unique ability to blend craftsmanship and the creativity. These captivative pieces not only serve as eye-catching home decor but also reflect the artistic skill manipulation of metal into an intricate, lifelike a human form. In this video, we will explore some inspiring ideas for welded metal human sculpture art that will not only embellish your living space but also demonstrate your artistic prowess. One captivating approach to the welded metal human sculpture art is the exploration of abstract human form by distorting a manipulation. The metal artist can create visually stimulating sculpture that convey the essence of human emotions, motivations, and the relationships. The interplay of angles, curves, and the negative space in an abstract human sculpture can infuse your home with an air of modernity and the artistic integrity. For those seeking a more traditional approach, figure out realism in a welded metal sculpture offer an exceptional opportunity to showcase your technical skill. Crafted with the meticulous attention to detail, these sculptures aims to capture the human form and its all glory. From finely sculptured facial feature of the intricate muscle definition, figure out realism sculptures exude the sense of awe and the administration and the admiration, making them ideal conversation starter within your home. Infuse energy and movement into your living space. Consider opting for welded metal human sculpture that depict human poses. These sculptures often portray human engagement in action, dancing, and engaging in various physical activities. The deliberate manipulation of metal allow artists to evoke the sense of motion and the vitality, creating an intricate design visual experience and will undoubtedly captivate the attention for your guest. If you want to add a touch of individuality to your home decor, composing a personalized welded metal human sculpture can be an exceptional choice. Working closely with the artist, you can discuss your preferences, intricate, and any significant aspect of your life that you wish to incorporate into a sculpture. This bespoke artwork will not only decorate your home but also hold up and keep up personal meaning, serving as a statement and testament of your unique story. Welded metal human sculpture art present a captivating fusion of creativity, craftsmanship, and the technical skills. Whether you prefer abstract form, figurative realism, dynamic poses, or the personalized sculptures, these artistic creations will undoubtedly transform your home into a gallery-like space and reflect your taste and the administration and the admiration of the fine art metal sculpting. Embrace this expressive medium and embark on a journey to create an inspiring ambience that showcase your artistic skill and bring joy to all who encounter your unique metal human sculptures. Welded metal human sculpture are offered numerous benefits beyond its aesthetic appeal as a unique form of home decor. These capitative sculptures not only enhance the visual appeal of your living space but also provide a platform for self-expression and artistic exploration. In this video, we will delve into various benefits of incorporating welded metal human sculptures into a home decor. Welded metal human sculptures that allow artists to unleash their creativity and showcase their artistic skills through the manipulation of metal. Artistic can bring human form of life, capturing emotion, movement, and the stories by displaying these sculptures in your home. You not only support and appreciate the artistic expression but also contribute to a vibrant artistic community. Unlike traditional artworks such as painting or the photographs, welded metal human sculpture offer a distinct and the eye-catching element to your home decor. These three-dimensional sculptures create depth and dimension, become a focal point that draw the attention of guests and infuse your living space with a sense of sophistication and the creativity. Welded metal human sculpture can seamlessly fit into a variety of home decor styles, whether your home is featured for modern, minimalist, artistic, industrial, and eclectic design. These sculpture can be customized to the complement for existing aesthetics. The versatility of metal as a medium allows artists to create sculpture in different sizes, shapes, and the finishes, ensuring a perfect match for your space. Metal sculptures are also known for their durability, making them a wise investment for your home decor. Welded metal human sculptures are resistant to wear, fading, and the damage, ensuring their longevity and retaining their visual impact over time. Unlike fragile artwork that require delicate handling, metal sculpture can withstand the test of time, allowing you to enjoy their beauty for a year to come. Welded metal sculpture often invoke curiosity and intrigue, making them an excellent conversion starter. These sculptures spark discussion, allowing you to share the stories and the inspiration behind each pieces with your guest. Additionally, personalized sculpture can hold deep personal meaning, reflection your unique experience, interest, and the values, and creating an emotion connection between artwork and your home decor. By incorporating welded metal human sculpture into your home decor, you actively support and contribute to the artistic community. By purchasing these artwork, provide financial support to the artist, encourage their creativity and the skills. The benefits of incorporating welded metal human sculpture art into a home decor are multifaced, from serving as a platform of artistic experience to adding a unique and eye-catching element to your living space. These sculptures enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while providing lasting durability. They spark conversation, hold personal meaning, and contribute to their large artistic community. Embrace the beauty of versatility, welded metal human sculpture, and enjoy the multitude of benefits they bring to your home and artistic expressions.
Welding can be a great skill to create unique and appealing home decor items that you can sell online. Here are some cool welding projects that you can consider to make and sell. Good morning and welcome back. I hope you people are doing so well. In this video we are going to show you some easy Welding projects are that you can create in your garage and at home or at a weekend, and you can sell it online and earn a handsome amount of money. So let's get started. Create intricate design of custom pattern using metal rod or the plotters. This can be abstract shapes, nature inspired motifs, and the personalized signs. Welding fibers can be a popular item for outdoor enthusiasts. Design fabricators fibers in various shapes and size, incorporating unique pattern and the customized logos. Welded metal planter can add an industrial and the modern touch to any home or garden. Experiment with different shapes and sizes to create interesting design. Use your welding skill or a craft sculpture for various metals such as steel, copper, animal, and the abstract form. Geometric shape can all the popular choice. Design and weld stylish shelves that can be used for displaying book, plants, or a decorative item. Consider incorporating wood or a glass element for added visual appeal. Create unique key holder by welding metal hook onto a decorative metal plate or the frame. Personalize them with initial names and the design. Weld custom wine rack with style and the functional design. You can experiment with different shapes and the configuration to create a visually interesting and appealing piece. Fabricated metal candle holder with intricate design and pattern. Consider incorporating different metal or adding a colored glass ancients. Metal weld frame for clock, combining functionality with artistic design. Experiment with different shapes and the styles to create eye-catchy timepiece. Create one-of-a-kind metal structure frame that can be used to display photo or art frame. Experiment with different texture and the finishes to add a visual interest. Remember to consider the market demand, pricing, and the shipping logistic. When selling your creation online, promote your product through social media platform, craft fairs,